First of all, in this video I will tell you about two important formulas of trigonometry. One formula is tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. You have to memorize it. It's very important formula, and in our questions we will use this formula again and again. So you have to memorize this formula. First of all, tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta, and the next formula is sine square theta plus cos square theta, their summation is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. These two formulas, they are used again and again in questions. We have to apply these formulas, so you have to remember these two formulas. And from this formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we have two further formulas. If we have to find the value of sine square theta and cos theta value is given, then sine square theta is equal to 1, and this will go the other side with negative sign, 1 minus cos square theta. And if you have given sine theta and you have to find the value of cos theta, then what we will do, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So from this tan theta is equal to sine theta or cos theta, one formula, and from this formula we have further two formulas. So the basic of formula is this one, and from this formula we have further two formulas. So these are the trigonometry formulas which are used in trigonometry, just I have told you. And next, here we have given another question, and we have learnt about sine rule and cosine rule. So in this question they said find capital X, capital Y and Z. So capital X mean angle X, capital Y mean angle Y, and small z mean is the side Z. So first of all they have given this diagram, and in this diagram they have just given Z and its value is given 35 degree, right? Then they have given 10 centimeter, nothing y is given, y I have written myself, and then they have given 6.5 centimeter the other side, and x angle is given to find out, and y angle is given. So first of all, as I have told you earlier, that we will complete the triangle. The procedure is that how to complete the triangle. If x side is given, so x angle is given, then the opposite side of x will be small x. So I will name this as small x. If y angle is given, then the opposite side will be small y. And if z is given, then the opposite side will be small z. So we have to complete this triangle first of all. Then we will go further. In this triangle you can see that two sides are given and their angle of these two sides, the angle between the two sides is given. You can see this side and this side, the angle between these two sides is this angle. So the angle between two sides and two sides are given just, and they said you have to complete the triangle. Complete the triangle meanings the other terms, other sides, triangle, angles, whatever thing is missing, you have to calculate their values, right? So three things are given, we have to find other three things. And when two sides and their included angle is given, we will use cosine rule, right? So I am using to use the cosine rule, but we have learned cosine rule in terms of ABC. How can we convert it into XYZ? So here I have written cosine rule is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Now how can we use it? We will check angle z is given, right? So here will be cosine of z, right? And then the product of this xy multiplied by 2 with negative sign, and there x square plus y square should be here. So this should be equal to z square, right? Applying this formula is so easy if we know the exact procedure, right? Now you can see in this diagram only one angle is given, so this angle will be, as you have seen that this angle is on Z, so we will use that cosine rule in which this angle Z is involved. If I will write here cos of Z, right, then according to cosine rule you can see cos A, then here will be a square, right? This thing you have to remember it. So if I have given only one side, which is Z, cos of Z, it means here will be Z square. If here will be Z square, then it's very easy. The other side is xyz, x square plus y square minus 2 product of xy and cos of 35 degree, right? In this way we apply cosine rule. Then we simplify it and then we will get the value of Z. Now we have calculated value of Z. Other thing is we have to find two angles, x and y angle. I will use sine rule here because in sine rule two sides are given, we know, and if one angle is given we can easily use the sine rule and apply it and find the other angle. When I find the other angle y degree, then how can you find the third angle? Some people they can use the sine rule again. The other two sides you will involve them and you can easily calculate the value of x. But and other thing we can use it, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. If I calculate this angle we already know, then this plus this plus this is equal to 180 degree, and x degree is equal to 180 minus this and minus this. So we can easily find it by using this formula, or you can use this formula. It depends on you, whatever you want to apply here. So this is the procedure how can we use cosine rule. When two sides and one angle is given, we will use cosine rule and then we can find the value of other two angles by using sine rule. Okay, you can also use the cosine rule. It depends whatever you want. You want to solve it with a difficult one thing or with a easy one thing, or whatever formula you like you can apply, and then you can easily solve the questions by using sine rule and cosine rule. Hopefully you can understand it, and please you have to memorize these two formulas. In my next videos I will show you how can we use these formulas in trigonometry, right? These two formulas are very important. When they will give you question, if you know about these formulas you can easily solve them.